Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm gonna show you the comparison between Udemy and versus Code Academy. So simply how you can check which website is better for you. So as you know, the Udemy has good content, and as you know, this website provides many of courses in the different categories. So as you can see here, the all courses have good content and the professional trainers are available here. So in this comparison, when we move to Code Academy, so simply you can see Code Academy also provide the best courses, but as compared to Udemy, the rating of these courses are low than Udemy. So simply now what we need to do next, we will check the comparison between Udemy and Code Academy. So simply just here you can see the Udemy has high rating 9.6 and the 5 stars rating. So here you can see 4.6 of 5.0. So when we move to Code Academy, so here you can see the rating is 8.1, so 4 star out of 5 and 4.1 of 5.0. So you can see this is the rating, and in the next, when we go to more comparisons, so pros like benefits of Udemy, like huge variety of courses, easy to use and active. Code Academy, easy to navigate, no technical issues, seems to care about its users. So here in future has a few different plans, including a free one of the best places online to learn. So pricing can be confusing, a bit dry in the feedback department. The technical side of things could choose some improvement. Free courses are too general. Sometimes it is enough to find relevant information. So in this section here you can check the pros, cons, the value of money. So here you can check the rating between Udemy and Code Academy. Content quality is almost equal, but Udemy has the high content rating quality. So now latest coupons. So here you can see the as low as $14. So here you can see 7 days free. So number of courses 100k, and the Code Academy has 300 only, Udemy has 100k. So simply number of languages, Udemy has 65 languages and Code Academy has only one language. So number of users, Udemy has 35 million users, Code Academy has 24 million users. Now go to courses, courses level beginner to advanced. So certification, practical test, both have same. Certification exam, both have same. Progress checker, both have same. Non-degree courses, so both have same. Certificated courses, as you can check, the both has same. So specialization, the both futures are available. So now when we go to degree, so neither Udemy nor Code Academy provided the degree. So here you can see that there is no degree option in Udemy and Code Academy. After that, here you can see the university or college credit. So simply the Udemy has the university and college credit, as compared to Code Academy has no credit. After that, certification, as you can check, accredited certification, so both don't have facility to provide this. So now subject, computer science, both have available. Languages, Udemy has available, Code Academy don't have. So data science, Udemy has courses regarding data science, so these subjects are available, and also Code Academy has the data science courses available. So now here you can see business management. So when we come to business management, so you can see the Udemy don't have business management higher courses or subject regarding this, and Code Academy also don't have. So when it comes to engineering, So engineering related subjects also not available on Udemy and not available on Code Academy. So because as you know, these provided the basic courses like 13 days, 15 days, 1 month courses. So the engineering and high level business management courses like your degrees, so these are not available on these academies like Udemy and Code Academy. So in the next section, social science, Udemy has some subject like social science available and Code Academy don't have. So now when we come to IT and software, so Udemy has the IT and software many courses. So Code Academy has also courses available. So here when we move to health, Udemy has some health courses, like Udemy provides some kind of short health courses. Regarding Code Academy don't have any kind of health courses. So now here you can see math and logic. So Udemy don't have math and logic courses. So now next, Code Academy also don't have the same courses. Now personal development courses are available on Udemy. So as comparison, Code Academy don't have personal development courses. So now when you come to arts and music, so both don't have subject. So now here philosophy, Udemy has some philosophy courses but Code Academy don't have. So now in the subject section you can see Udemy has good rating, and also in the courses section you can see Udemy has good rating, and as compared to status Udemy has good rating. So now as compared to the pros, cons, benefits, Udemy has high rating, and now here you can see the overall rating of Udemy has high and Code Academy has the low rating. So now when we come to pricing, the free trial, the Udemy has 7 days free trial and Code Academy has also 7 days free trial. So both have same in this quality. Now cheap monthly subscriptions, so $90.99, the same price for Udemy and the same price for Code Academy. And now plans, program subscription, enterprise subscription, team subscription. So basic subscription, pro subscription, team subscription. So plans are some kind of different. Certificates both have the paid. And now refund period, Udemy has a refund period 30 days, like if you buy a course and then you don't want to cancel and refund, so Udemy has a policy for 30 days and the Code Academy has same for 7 days. So learning process, learning material, video material, written material, video material. So simply offline courses, Udemy has provided all offline courses, but Code Academy don't have discussion board. Udemy has also discussion board. Code Academy has also discussion board. So now homework, the Udemy has same homework facility, video material, and grading. So yeah, you can provide grading in Udemy and as well as in Code Academy. So now futures, skill analyst, skill analysis, Udemy don't have, Code Academy have. Course recommendation engine, Udemy and Code Academy both have. Connection with the lecturer, don't have. Personal connection with the lecturer in both. So personal learning pass, Udemy don't have, Code Academy have. Offline access, so here you can see Udemy has offline access but Code Academy don't have. In the next, mobile app, Udemy also have mobile app and Code Academy also has mobile app feature. So both have the mobile app features. Now here you can see company info, full company name Udemy, Code Academy, headquarters like both in USA, year of origin, the Udemy year of origin is 2010 and the Code Academy just come after 1 year, 2011. So now finally we have understand that after making a comparison between Udemy and Academy, so Udemy has ex expensive and high rating course, and Udemy has also a good rating as we compare to Code Academy. So just in this sense, Udemy has good rating and courses. So as you know, you can see and comparison which website you should join to complete the course. Udemy and Code Academy, it depends upon you. So we have explained all the features of Udemy and Code Academy and also make a good comparison between both websites. So in this way you can select the good website between these two. So now finally our comparison is completed. So you can also visit this website